are the Dugo kids, and we're doing an experiment.
Yeah, we're doing it. Has to do with slime.
Wait, mommy, pause.
It has to do with
Pause.
slime. So we're gonna need 2 teaspoons.
Learning with the Dugo kids. Every day's a brand new quiz.
We're making an experiment of how to make slime,
Slime.
but a different type of slime.
Yeah,
This is what you
something.
need. This is what you
Ow.
need. Food coloring,
Borax. Heavy though.
borax, glue, a grater,
Styrofoam.
2 big bowls, water, and be specific.
Spoon.
Okay, not specific. You need 1
1
tablespoon, 1
1
teaspoon, and 1/4 cup spoons, and an adult.
Because you need permission to do this.
Right. First, we're gonna start grating the styrofoam.
And then I'm gonna pour the glue, right?
No, not yet. Now we'll watch. So pour this in here. Half cup. Don't worry, Max.
Mommy, how much styrofoam is exactly? How am I supposed to know
Max, wait, don't touch that.
when it is a cup of styrofoam?
Okay.
5 minutes later.
After countless minutes,
Several brute minutes.
we got this.
A bunch of shredded styrofoam.
Yeah.
And-
Next,
Yeah. We need 2 teaspoons of borax.
borax.
Borax. I said that.
You said borax. Well, whatever. Put it in the water. Then you stir it. Oh, let this sit. Stir to help dissolve. Gotta stir it all up.
This is the weirdest slime one ever, right?
Very weird. Why are you using borax for this?
Borax for slime. It looks like water is pouring out.
No, it's not leaking. It just looks really weird. See? The water. Then you have to wait for this to dissolve for 5 to 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
A 1/4 cup of glue
In the water.
in the water. In the remaining water.
Aw, one.
And then mix it.
And the glue mixture is about 1.5 cups. Stir the water and glue mixture gently, so you don't spill it. If you are using food coloring, put it into this mix now.
Okay. Now we're gonna put the food coloring in. Which one do we use? Obviously the green. I want to put 2. I haven't put anything yet.
I love food coloring. Yeah, but I haven't put anything. Can I just both put 1 drop?
Yeah, but I haven't put anything.
Can I put 1 drop too? You put 1 drop and I put 1 drop. And I drop 1 drop. Are you sure that's not too much?
Yeah, but I choose what color.
Huh?
I choose what color.
Yeah, green's the best color.
Put some green food coloring.
1 drop at a time. Now my drop.
That's enough drops.
No, that's not drop.
Hey, you got to do all the fun being food coloring.
Yeah, well, you will not do anything.
Well, that's what you got to do food coloring.
Next time, let me do the fun stuff you so you can do the food coloring.
And food coloring is the most fun. Max! We were supposed to mix it. This.
No one cares. Now, don't put it over the book. Reapers. Okay, now what?
Next time,
Put the glue water solution into the baggie. The baggie.
now I'm doing that one.
Hold this.
Okay, that's enough. Bring it up. That's enough. That looks super.
This looks so weird.
and so gross at the same time.
But it's gonna give us slime. Ew, 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 ew.
This is much too liquid to be slime.
It's not.
Well-
it's not slime yet.
It's in the bag. Now what?
Now, don't mix it yet. No, wait. Pour the glue water and add 2 tablespoons of the borax water mixture.
No.
After, of course, it's dissolved.
It's dissolved.
It's not dissolved. You have to wait some minutes.
This is, guys. I don't think this is slime.
It's not slime.
It's much too liquid to put them back. This is much too liquidy to be slime.
Because it's not slime.
Not slime yet.
Not slime yet.
Max, stop touching that.
Is that English?
You said liquid.
Can you close that
glue
door?
water
Can you close that door?
and add 2 tablespoons of the borax water mixture. You have to put 2 tablespoons of the borax water mixture.
Go wash your hands. You touched it. Go wash.
After it is dissolved. Yeah, it's dissolved.
It looks sort of.
Don't touch it, don't touch it.
Pretty sure that's
5 minutes. Let's clockwise that. Yeah, let's clockwise that.
Later that night.
Okay, so
Are we seriously gonna touch that? Yes!
well, now I'm touching it and seeing it if it is nice.
Okay, we've waited 15 minutes and this is what the slime turned out to be.
I like that.
Whoa. Slime. Stinks. Ew, it stinks.
Learning with the Dugo kids.